Good morning, guys. Today is our day 5 of the week. Happy Thursday to all of you and hope that you're doing well. Let's start our lesson today as to solve a system of equation by substitutions, real world problems. Our learning objectives is at the end of the lesson, you will be able to analyze and solve a pairs of simultaneous linear equations and solve real world problems. Your success criteria today, you will be successful when you can analyze and solve pairs of simultaneous linear equations, solve real world problems in two variables. Your vocabulary today is elimination and simultaneous equation and also substitutions. Okay, your required material here is, please, I ask all of you to have your textbook, your math tools, pencil, ruler, pen, no calculator, and your copybook. For I do questions, here I have actually a complex question, and this complex question, it has many parts. Use the paragraph below to answer the questions from 5 to 8. Let's see. Mark has $5 in his piggy bank and adds $2 every week. Mark has $5 in his piggy bank and adds, okay, here is additional part, 2 every week. Let's see, X here is represent the number of weeks. So 2 every X every week. Okay, I can use a Y as an amount of money here in his bank. So I will write the system of equation for the question 5 and 6. Write the system of equation, make Y subject is equal. What do you have here in Mark? Mark is represent number 5 and Eric is represent number 6. Mark is represent number 5 here for the question. He has $5 in his piggy bank and $2 every week. $2 every week plus 5 in his bank. So what Eric has, here, Eric has 1 every week. So 1x plus how many in his piggy bank? 10. Okay, so now I just write the system of equations by analyzing it. I wrote it in a mathematical method. This question is finished? No, I have to complete question 7 and 8. We are going to complete 7 and 8 in the next slide. But remember, we have y equal to x plus 5, y equal 1x plus 10. Let me write it here. Y equal 5x or 10x. 10x plus 5. This is for Mark, and for Eric, let me see again. 2x plus 5, 1x plus 10. 2x plus 5. And Eric has 1x plus 10. Okay, guys. Here, let's complete question 7 and 8. In question 7, it says that graph the system of equations from the equations 5 and 6. I will graph those two equations. To graph the equation, actually, you should understand that you have rise and run. If you don't have any number below number 2, so you have to write a number 1. Like I'm writing 2 as 2 over 1. Why I'm writing it as 2 over 1? Because you have to remember 2 is represent run, 1 is represent rise. Sorry, rise and run. Rise is up and run. Okay, so here this number 2 is represent rise And here number 1 is represent run. Also here I have 1 over 1. 1 is represent rise, 1 is represent run. Let's represent Mark first, then Eric. Mark as red, Eric as purple. Okay, starting with Mark. Start with the initial value. The initial value here is number 5. So go to number 5. What do we have here? 0, 2, 4, and here is 5, which is in between 4 and 6. And from number 5, move 2 up and 1 run. Because I have here 2 rise and 1 run. So 2 up, 1 until from 5 to 6 is 1. From 6 to 7 is 2 up and 1 right. Here is your second point. 2 rise. Let me write it here. 2 rise and 1 run. Okay. I will draw the line by using ruler. I will draw a line in red because I said to you I'm gonna represent Mark as a red line. Okay, let's see what do we have here in purple for Eric. Eric, I will start with the initial value 10. Okay, I will use only 1 up and 1 right. Only 1 up and 1 right. So I will draw the line. One up and 1 right. Okay. Then let's see here, whereas the 2 lines met together. The 2 lines met together in how many x and how many y? Is met together here in the number 5 point. Now it's in the number 5 and 15. Let's see and draw it again. These 2 points. With a ruler. Like this. Thank you. Here is the 2 lines made together in the point 5 and 16. So I will write 5 and 16 as our solution. I hope that to understand from me question 5 to 8, and here as you do question. And this you do question, use the following text to answer the questions from 9 to 13. Do it by yourself. You will get your answer in your worksheet. This is an independent task. Thank you guys for watching my video. I hope that to understand from me. So if you meet your success criteria today, congratulations. If you may miss some parts, please rewatch my video again. Thank you very much.